Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to fix if your Roblox avatar isn't loading. First of all, guys, it may be Roblox fault itself, guys, because their servers sometimes are very busy. That's the reason why your avatar isn't loading, so you need to wait a couple of minutes and then you can check, guys, if your avatar is loading. If it's still not working, you can do two different things, guys. First of all, you can delete your cookies. You need to go to the Chrome settings right here. In the search, you need to type cookies and open delete browsing data right here. You need to select all time. From here, you need to select cache images and files, and also you need to delete the cookies right here. So click the delete data button right here. This will sign out you from a Roblox account and make sure that you remember your password because you need to log into your account again. And this might help you guys. After doing this, it might help you to load your avatar. If it's still not working, you can find some extra extensions that are you using. You can disable them. For example, if you have some Roblox extensions, you can just click this three dots right here. You can remove them from Chrome, or you can just go to manage settings and turn them off, guys. So this might also help you. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget click the like buttons and don't forget subscribe.